Hello students, so welcome to the Digital Pathshala KML. So in this video we are going to discuss about the remaining part which is left, and that is the remaining part of this chapter, that is Leaving the Valley. So class 7th literature reader and chapter 11. So that we were talking about the dog and its name is Buck. So we talked about that which kind of life that he lived there when he was living in the judge's home. So now come to this. So you can just look here that we were talking about that which kind of health okay, that Buck had. So that he was very energetic also, because that he used to go with the son and the daughter of that judge. So he did swimming there also. So that's why that his muscles were strong also, and he loved so much the water. So because that he used to do swimming also, so it became a healthy preservator or preserver we can say, so that could protect anybody. And after 1897 there was a change in the life of the Buck. That what happened at that time, so that many people were coming there, and they were searching the dogs also which they required for that work which was booming there in that northern region. And there was one of the person who came there and he made that manual. So firstly you have to know about the manual. So he is one of the person who was very disloyal and means dishonest person whom you could not believe, that is unreliable person, and he was living with the that Buck. So what he did, that he has a habit of means playing the lottery system also, that was the Chinese lottery, and for that he required money, and for getting the money, so that he could do anything whatever he wants to do. So that it does not matter whether it is wrong or right. So even that he could not earn so much money that it could fulfill the need of the wife and the children which he has. So there was a meeting of the judge where this Buck was living, and he was engaged in that meeting, and that meeting was of the Residence Growers Association. तो उस मीटिंग में आपका वो बिजी होता है, and there were so many housemates also and the boys also, so who were busy in organizing an athletic club. So there was a one function which was about to be organized or held. So they all were busy in that, and so no one could see that what Buck is doing. So what Buck does at that night, that he tried to escape himself, and then he just move in such a way so that nobody could even listen the voice of its moving, है ना? So that it was a strolling situation. So but there was one of the person who was there, and he was the alone person. Okay, so means that no one was allowed there who could come there at the flag station, and that flag station name is college Park na. So he saw one person who was talking with Manuel, and there was a exchange of the money also, and that person was giving money to the Manuel. ठीक है, तो वो इंसान उसको पैसे देता है आपका. And after that what he says, so that stranger person said to the Manuel that you have to just wrap the good, and that even the Buck did not know about that what the good they are talking about. So उसको ये चीज़ के पता नहीं थे आपका. So and that was the good, and that is Buck, है ना. So it would be wrapped by the Manuel so that it could be given to that stranger person. So that person was telling it very confidently also, because that he was very confident that I need this thing. So Manuel did this thing, that he took one piece of rope, and it was very heavy, and he put it around the Buck's neck. Okay, so there was a collar which was in the neck of that Buck, so it was attached to it, and after that it was given to that stranger person, because it was an agreement. So stranger person just speaking something, because Manuel just gave a cautious warning that just take it and then just do whatever you want to do. So Buck had accepted that rope, and because that he could not do anything, so that's why that rope was attached to the neck of that Buck, so that a stranger person was just bringing him back to for its work. So that was an unwanted thing. Unwanted means which that Buck did not like, but he had accepted it, and he knew this thing that which kind of trust which I have developed here. सो दैट वॉज बियॉन्ड दैट, है ना, जो चीज़ें मुझे यहाँ पे मिली, सो आई कुड नॉट फॉरगेट दोज थिंग्स, सो दैट वॉज बियॉन्ड ऑफ माई एक्सपेक्टेशंस. And after that, when this robe was given to the stranger person, so he started gazing, है ना, जो जो बक है आपका, उसको गेजिंग करना शुरू कर देता है इन एंग्रीली मूड. सो इट वाज अ वेरी फेयरफुल सिचुएशन. So it was a displeasure, it was a disagreement which he was showing to that stranger person that I do not want to go with you. Okay, but he could not do anything because the heavy rope was tied its neck, and because of it that buck could not even take the breath very easily also, है ना, तो उसको सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होती है आपका. And in anger, in rage, that what it does, that it jumped upon that person, and then he just grabbed that person's throat, उसके गले को पकड़ लेता है, and very cleverly that he just threw him back over his back. And then that rope was tightened mercilessly, that was very tight, so because of which that the tongue was coming out of that mouth, तो उसकी जो मुंह से जो है उसकी जो ज़ुबान है वो बाहर निकल के आ जाती है आपका. तो समटाइम्स यू सी कि अगर आपकी नेक को बहुत ज़्यादा टाइटली बांध दिया जाए तो दैट यू ऑल्सो फेस डिफिकल्टी इन ब्रीथिंग. सो दैट वॉज फेस्ड बाय द बक हियर ऑल्सो. एंड बिकॉज दैट ही वॉज फाइटिंग और विद दैट स्ट्रेंजर पर्सन, सो दैट ही वॉज टेकिंग अ लॉन्ग ब्रेथ ऑल्सो, तो वो हाँपना शुरू कर दिया आपका. सो इट वॉज आउट ऑफ द कंट्रोल. एंड आफ्टर दैट वॉट ही रियलाइज दैट आई डिड नॉट, ठीक है, मीट सच सिचुएशन इन माई लाइफ एवर, है ना. सो द ट्रीटमेंट विच आई एम गेटिंग हियर, सो दिस इज़ वेरी बैड and I could not forget this thing, and he was very angry with it, है ना. And because his strength was ebbed, means, so ebbed means that reduced, because he fought with that stranger person, and his eyes were very shiny, so that he would have some kind of hope that something could happen, but you know, but he could not do anything. And the person who were there, so they just put that buck into the baggage cars where all the things were there. So it was kept in such a way that it was harshly treated. So what we are getting by this chapter, that we come across different phases of our life which we do not know, but we have to just face them in a happily mood and do not lose hope. So something would be better in our life. So there are so many persons who are loyal or whom we cannot trust, so we should be cautious of them also and keep eye on them, so that there would be no danger for our life also, and we could live a good life also. So I hope that you understood now. So thank you so much. So if you have liked this video, so please like, share and subscribe this channel. So bye everyone.